All right, hello everybody. I noticed that people are creating some dashboards that are would be really great to set as home pages. Will Savage shared this one. I think he created it, and it occurred to me it would be really cool to have this instead of the default Omni homepage. The default Omni homepage is cool, but we want to give more flexibility to customers to like curate the experience for their end users. So I added a global setting for homepage dashboard, and there's this little searcher where you can find the dashboard you want. And oh my God, I broke it right before there it is. So we can set a homepage there. And now when anybody goes to the Omni home, they get to see that dashboard in this kind of full page mode. And this is a global setting, but you can also set it per user, override it per user. So if you want to set your own personal homepage, this is a terrible dashboard, but we'll use it as an example. Then I go back to the home, that's going to override that global default. And
Just a quick question, Bernard, on the personal or user level ones, would those become a system user attribute for embed?
yes, they can be passed as a URL parameter from embed to be set as a user attribute as well. It's a new user attribute that gets shipped. I don't know if I have that up. Yeah, it will be set as a user attribute, Russ. Good question.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Thanks all.